In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect IndiaMART to Shopify. Firstly, go to the IndiaMART Shopping Marketplace app on the Shopify App Store. Click Install to add the app on your Shopify store. Now open the app in your Shopify dashboard and click on the Connect tab. Enter your mobile number to receive an OTP, then verify the OTP to complete the connection. Now, let's do product sync. Once connected, your products will start syncing automatically. Within 24 hours to 48 hours, your products will be listed on IndiaMART. Each product will include a Buy Now, Shop Now button that redirects buyers to your Shopify store. A pro tip, make sure your Shopify product listings are complete with clear titles, descriptions and prices, and images for better visibility on IndiaMART. Let me know if you want more help optimizing your listings or syncing categories.